Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling to find the right way to download and install QuickBooks Desktop, this video is your one-stop foolproof guide. Whether you're a small business owner, accountant, or just someone who wants full control over your financial data, this is for you. So let's jump straight in. First off, QuickBooks Desktop is a powerful accounting tool by Intuit that helps you manage everything from invoicing to payroll, all offline, directly on your computer. It's perfect for users who prefer reliability and privacy over cloud-based versions. Now, to get QuickBooks Desktop safely, open your preferred web browser and type QuickBooks Desktop Download in Google. Make sure you click the official Intuit QuickBooks website. That's super important to avoid sketchy third-party downloads that could harm your device. Once you're on the official site, you'll see different versions of QuickBooks Desktop like Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. Choose the one that fits your business needs. Next, select your operating system, Windows or Mac, and click the download button. For Windows, it'll download an .exe file, and for Mac, a .dmg file. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the file downloads completely. After the download finishes, go to your downloads folder, locate the file, and double-click it. This will launch the installation wizard. If you get a prompt asking for permission, just click Yes to continue. During installation, you'll be asked to choose between Express or Custom Setup. Express is quicker and recommended for most users. Then, accept the license agreement, and when prompted, enter your license and product numbers. You'll find these in your confirmation email or Intuit account. Once the setup is complete, click Finish, and boom, you now have QuickBooks Desktop installed and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up QuickBooks Desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.